In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Canva without cropping it, a task that might seem trivial at first but can be quite crucial when you're looking for that perfect fit for your design project. Whether you're creating a presentation, a social media post, or any other digital design, you'll find these steps straightforward and impactful. First, you'll need to log into your Canva account and open your design project. You can do this by navigating to the Canva website and clicking on My Projects. Once you've accessed your design project, locate the specific image you want to resize. This is our starting point and a key step because it sets the foundation for the rest of the process. Clicking on the image will highlight it, indicating that it's ready for editing. You'll see a border appear around the image, which means you're ready to proceed. Next comes the main part of the process, resizing the image itself. Without losing any crucial parts of your image, you can resize it by dragging the corners or edges and adjusting it to your preferred dimensions. This method ensures that you maintain the complete image without cropping out any important sections. Simply position your cursor over one of the small circles located on the border. These are known as resize anchors and will allow you to adjust the image size. Click and hold your mouse button down and then drag the cursor either inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it larger. You'll notice that as you resize, a set of guidelines will appear. These are part of Canva's grid system, which helps you maintain alignment and proportion within your design. It's important to watch how your image interacts with the surrounding elements. If your design includes text or other graphics, ensure they remain well balanced as you adjust the size of your image. While resizing, be mindful of your image quality. Extreme changes in size can affect the clarity and quality of your image. For best results, try to resize within the natural limitations of the image's resolution. If you notice any blurring or pixelation, it's a sign that the image is being stretched too far beyond its intended size. To wrap up, resizing images in Canva without cropping is a vital skill for maintaining design integrity while meeting your specific needs. By understanding how to adjust image dimensions without cutting off key parts of the image, you can create well-proportioned and visually appealing designs. So next time you need to resize an image for a presentation or social media post, these steps will guide you to do it easily and effectively. Thanks for watching and happy designing.